Hi everybody, this is Kirk Robbins and welcome to the Washington State Instructional Science Coaches Ning. By the way, one of the first orders of business might be thinking of a different name for our Ning. I just put that for right now. So maybe we'll have a little discussion later about changing that. So hopefully you got an invite and it should have asked you to set up an account. And right now we are at what's called the main page. So this is the page that you'll usually go to when you visit this site. On the top there are some tabs. So there's main, invite, which is where if you wanted to you could invite some other members. My page, which is your own personal page that you can create however you'd like to have it set up. Members, where you'll be able to see all the different members of this group. Videos, where we can upload different video clips. Events, where we could keep a calendar going. Blogs, forum, which is a discussion section. Chat, and then manage, where we can change the look and the way that this site is set up. So what I'm going to do is kind of quickly go over the main page and some of the things that are here, and then I will create a second clip that will go into how to set up your own personal page and what types of things you might want to do on there. So on our main page, just going to scroll down a little bit here. You can see on the left it shows latest activity, and right now everything is just things that I have done because I'm still in the process of setting this up, so it shows that I've done all of these different things. The videos section, as I'm making the screencast, is empty, so eventually that will have this video plus a bunch of other stuff. Here's a blog post where I just posted a welcome message. And then there are lots of other sections here, and we can decide to delete some of these if we find we're not using them. So in a forum we could start a discussion. So for example, somebody could say, hey, are you working with any teachers who've created a formative assessment probe about density? And then people could respond, yes, here's one, and they could post it right there in the forum. Events is a place where we could put, it's basically a calendar for us, things that are going on around the state. Then I started a links section here and just put a few things in there. And hopefully we'll all be able to put some things in that section. And then I have this chat area, and we may find that we never use the chat, and if that's the case, I'll get rid of it. But that's there. It will show any member who's happens to be online at the same time you are, and you could just say, hey, Kirk, what's going on today? And then we could have a little online conversation. On the left column here, you can see right now it's showing me as the only member because I haven't invited anybody yet. Where it says text box, we will eventually add some other links or widgets or something there. I'm leaving it open for right now. Where it says Science for All, this is a little shameless self-promotion for my blog, I guess, but this shows the newest posts from my Science Resources blog, and if you click on that, it takes you to the Science for All blog in a new window. So let's go back to our Ning site. Okay, and we may find that we don't feel that that's the best resource to have there, and we can put something else there if we'd like. Okay, so that is a quick overview of